Well, rainforest, in like this river you get piranhas. These are piranhas that live in the rainforest. Stingray. That thing over there is a mud skipper. You get loads of strange insects like this in the rainforest.
What sort of spider do you think it is? Tarantula, that's right. That's what everybody calls these spiders. It's not really their proper name. We prefer to call them bird-eating spiders. And this is a red-kneed bird-eating spider, and she comes from Mexico. The name tarantula makes them seem much nastier than they really are. They very rarely bite, and even if she did bite you, the effects of the venom would only be like a bee sting. So they're really not dangerous, and I'm not being particularly brave having her sitting on my hand. The other name for them is bird-eating spider, but even that isn't a great name because they don't live on birds all the time. But they can catch very large prey, even things up to the size of a mouse.
The what?
Tape.
A tapir.
Yeah.